from an academic and intellectual standpoint, undoubtedly, the true benefit of current AI is to make sense of massive quantities of data. So if you to look at it from a purely intellectual standpoint, and you to measure on that standpoint, absolutely quite phenomenal, obviously. But if we think about our lives as human beings, we don't really apply that particularly well in how we live. We have eye contact, we have emotion, the reasons we make decisions, the instinct, whether you like someone, whether you don't like someone, why. Now, there is, especially with some of the guests that we've had on, the subject matter expertise coming in to train components of how we behave to make sense in a very quick, efficient, and scalable manner, components of how we behave as human beings. And I think as more of that is implemented, then I think it will be extremely powerful. But again, the human aspect, the best relationships tend to be the ones that you've been through thick and thin. You've been through the good times and the bad times. You've got to know the true character of an individual. You can trust them, you can rely upon them. And trust is a very key word there. If you've, at this point, taken away the choice for making decisions to calculate instinctively whether you trust an answer, a judgment, anything at all, then you've taken away the human experience. You've taken away options and choices. So it doesn't have, and I would find it very difficult to replicate why we are human, because even Song has talked about that. When you really begin to look at how we interact every single day, whether at the office, whether at home, in a marriage, with your children, how children behave at schools, how they learn, there are tiny little components, but the human experience is that cohesively brought together and played out over a long period of time with huge amounts of decisions, personal decisions, not made for you.